OPPO unveiled the OPPO Watch 4 Pro last month. Like its predecessors, the smartwatch sports a square dial. A leaker which goes by the account name on X has now claimed there will be a new OPPO smartwatch with a round display. It will be either called the vanilla OPPO Smartwatch 4 or the rumored OPPO Watch X, which is expected to launch with the OPPO Reno 11 series in November. The tipster has leaked the key specification. He said it will be a round display and it has OWW231 number and that's known as star. Like the Watch 4 Pro, it will be equipped with a dual chips system comprising of Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 and BES 2700. The leak also said it will come with double button crown, ECG, colorful AOD, fist clinch gestures, eSIM, ColorOS 14 sound, a blood oxygen tracker, stress, sleep, sports mode, health tracking, barometer, RTOS, WeChat and WeChat Pay. He'll run ColorOS for Watch 6.0. He'll debut in China as well as global market. In China, it's expected to ship with ColorOS for Watch, while the global version will come with OnePlus branding and Wear OS. The leakster also said the OPPO Watch 4 Pro will be released in the global market very soon.